Okay, here's a little Maven mission. Gonna fly down the bike trail and film it. It's gonna be a fast speed, so I'm gonna get going. This is the upper Sugarloaf trail. Stupid bike turned off. Took too long. Well, all I'm doing is chasing my drone anyway. It's a perfectly blue sky day, so I can see it like I'm standing next to it. Anyhow, this is the upper Sugarloaf trail. Catching up to it slow but sure. I'm going to keep it ahead of me, so I'm not going to appear in the video till the very end. It's like a 3-mile trail. Almost directly overhead now. I gotta get a ways ahead of it to show up in the video. I got a bright yellow shirt on, so you'll see me. Howdy, how you doing? It's killing me. Can't get ahead of it. That's funny. I'm getting old and out of shape. Oh, here I go. Now I'm ahead of it. It's gonna fly down to the end of this trail, which is roughly 3 miles long. Then it's going to turn around. Actually, it's going to fly to the end of this trail, stop, turn around, get in position, start recording, and fly back to the beginning. So we'll get to watch it. There's a bunch of benches down here. There's always people down here. I'm gonna let it catch up. I see it over my shoulder here in my mirror. I got a nice rear view mirror. I'm slowing down. Might even have time to get a drink. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Oop, there it is. Yeah, I chase this thing around with my Pedego on the bike trails just for fun. It's, I got it set to fly 20 miles an hour right now. My Pedego maxes out at 20, and then if you pedal like mad, you can go a little faster, like I just did. Okay. I must just barely be out of the picture because I'm coming up to the end as we speak. Okay. I'll go ahead and stop this video. There it goes. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, I'm on the upper Sugarloaf bike trail and I got to haul ass back because I got my drone flying. I thought I'd have time for a drink of water, but it ain't looking that way. You can see me in the picture. This is the upper Sugarloaf bike trail. Not too windy today. Been trying to get in good practice with my drone. I was thinking about doing a follow me down here. It's got an active track feature. Should be slowing down a little bit here since it's bucking the wind. When you're flying a drone, you gotta watch out for a lot of things. Oh yeah, I'm outrunning it pretty good, but that's okay. I can wait here at the bench and hear it coming. There she goes. I don't know if you can hear that. It's not real loud because I got it up there a ways. Well within the legal limit, not even half. If I did everything right, man, it's windy this way. If I did everything right, it's gonna land just outside the refuge up here. Just outside the bike path, upper Sugarloaf bike trail, and I'll catch it on film just for fun. It's an auto landing. There won't be any input required. Little ways to go yet. Probably 600 yards. Howdy. you can see, this is a pretty good bike path. I don't know about the wind noise. I should have put maximum cancel on it. I didn't realize it was going to be this windy. Anyhow, I'll get up here and another 300 yards or so. Okay, this is the end of Crane Boulevard, and it's the start of it's called the Upper Sugarloaf Bike Trail.
50%.
As you can see, my drone used 50%. Upper Sugarloaf Trail. Okay, that's the end of this video. Okay. I've been observing my drone flying a mission, and it's coming home. It should land somewhere right about there. It's auto landing and returning to home. I'm gonna get around there where the sticks are in case I gotta help it. It's usually pretty good. You hear it beeping, that means it's gonna land. I couldn't remember exactly where I took off from. Probably right there. It is going to land with no input from Kel. Okay, there's proof positive that it flew from outside of the Sugarloaf Trail. Have a good day.